Your teenager for their first job is an essential step in teaching them about financial responsibility, time management, and work ethics. This preparation involves several crucial elements, beginning with helping them identify job opportunities that align with their skills and interests. By guiding them toward jobs that match their abilities, you can significantly enhance their job satisfaction and performance. Whether they are interested in roles like being a barista, a tutor, a retail worker, or a freelance writer, finding a job that fits their skills can make the work experience more enjoyable and relevant to their future careers. One of the foundational aspects of this preparation is teaching them about budgeting. Start by sharing your household budget with them. Highlight major expense categories such as rent, utilities, groceries, and discretionary spending. By seeing a real-life example of how income is allocated across different needs and wants, your teen can gain a practical understanding of money management. Additionally, discuss the cost of their personal wants, like entertainment, hobbies, or social activities, and show them how these fit into a budget. This practical approach helps them understand the importance of managing money and prioritizing expenses, setting the stage for financial responsibility. Engaging your teen in conversations about their goals is another essential step. Discussing both short-term and long-term goals can help them see the benefits of working. For instance, short-term goals might include saving for a car, a trip, or purchasing the latest gadgets. Long-term goals could involve saving for college, contributing to household expenses, or building a savings fund for future needs. By understanding their motivations, you can guide them in finding a job that aligns with their aspirations, making the work experience more meaningful and goal-oriented. Ensure your teen is aware of the legal working age restrictions and the types of jobs they can apply for. Many places hire teens as young as 14, but some jobs may require them to be 16 or older. It's important to familiarize them with the Fair Labor Standards Act, FLSA, which limits the number of hours minors under 16 can work. Discuss how a job will fit around their school schedule, extracurricular activities, and other responsibilities. This will help them balance their work and personal life effectively, ensuring that their academic performance and personal commitments do not suffer. When it comes to earnings, explain to your teen the variations in wages. The federal minimum wage is currently $7.25 per hour, but this can vary by state and sometimes by city. According to ZipRecruiter, teens earn an average of $16.74 per hour. Emphasize that their earnings will grow with experience and skills. Encourage them to look for jobs that offer flexible hours and fit their schedule, such as positions in restaurants, retail, or freelance opportunities. This flexibility allows them to gain work experience without compromising their education or extracurricular activities. Preparing for job-related costs is also an important aspect of this process. Discuss transportation options with your teen. If the job is within walking or biking distance, that might be the most economical option. If they need to drive, discuss the costs associated with maintaining a car, including gas, insurance, and maintenance. If public transportation is an option, talk about the costs and logistics of using buses or trains. Additionally, if they need uniforms or specific work tools, discuss how they will cover these expenses. Preparing them for these additional costs ensures they are not caught off guard and helps them budget their earnings effectively. Meal planning is another area to consider. Talk to your teen about whether they will pack lunch or buy meals at work. Packing lunch can save a significant amount of money, while buying meals can quickly become expensive. Discussing these options and helping them plan their meals can prevent impulsive and costly decisions. This conversation also introduces them to the concept of meal prepping and making financially savvy choices when it comes to food. Educate your teen on tax responsibilities. Explain the process of completing a W-4 form for W-2 jobs and the importance of filing taxes. If they earn at least $400 through self-employment, such as babysitting or web design, they need to file taxes. Understanding these basics will help them manage their earnings responsibly and avoid any legal issues related to unpaid taxes. Discuss how taxes are withheld from their paycheck and the importance of keeping track of their earnings and tax documents. Help your teen set up a personal budget that includes their income, expenses, and savings. Encourage them to save a portion of their earnings in a high-yield savings account or a custodial certificate of deposit. This not only teaches them the importance of saving, but also how to grow their money over time. Introduce basic investing concepts, explaining the importance of diversification and the potential benefits of short and long-term investments. Understanding the basics of the stock market, mutual funds, ETFs, and bonds can empower them to make informed decisions about their financial future. Additionally, teach your teen about the importance of financial planning and goal setting. Show them how to set realistic financial goals and develop a plan to achieve them. This might include saving for a major purchase, setting aside money for future education expenses, or creating an emergency fund. Discuss the concept of compound interest and how starting to save and invest early can have significant benefits over time. By thoroughly preparing your teen for their first job, you equip them with essential life skills that go beyond the workplace. Teaching them how to find suitable jobs, manage a budget, understand their earnings and expenses, and the basics of saving and investing helps them become responsible and successful in their financial and professional endeavors. This comprehensive approach ensures that they are well prepared to navigate the world of work and finance, laying a strong foundation for their future. By instilling these values and skills early on, you help them build a solid financial foundation that will serve them well throughout their lives.